Hey guys, this is Duke of All Lukes. We are going to be making a Lego mechanical bird. Right now, Jameson's sitting on the pieces. Hey, baby, get up, get up. Oh, there we go. Okay, here are the pieces you'll need. You can make your wings anyway. I'm just like taking this piece. If you have this piece, that's really good. Jameson. You're also gonna need a spinny piece, a cone. You're gonna need 4 cones, 2 cylinders, one of these plates. You can flip it. Two stubs and a 1x2 plate. One of these, a 1x2 with a ramp. Yeah, I need this, a 1x2 with more little pieces. And then you're just gonna need a 1x2 brick. Here. Oh. Okay. So let's go with the building. So first you're gonna take this piece. You're gonna take that piece. And you're gonna take this piece. Get onto the back of the wings. Right here. Then take this piece. Put it take this piece, and you can put it on those 2 pieces. So now you should have this. Then you're gonna take this piece right here, slap it on right there. And then take your flip piece, put it on where you can flip it to like go like this. You're gonna take 2 of your cones and put one right here, the other right here. You gotta need those because you have your blast off, but you also have a landing procedure. It can also stand if you have a hardwood surface. Then you're gonna take your other cones and put them on right there. If you didn't see, this is what you should have. You put them on right there, and you put the 2 cones on the bottom of that. And now, should have that. I'm going to take this piece. I'm going to put this piece right here. And you're going to take this piece. You're going to put it in the front. Well, in a place. Then take these 2 cylinders. Put them right there. Oh, I should have told you guys. You're gonna want the stubs on there first, and then put the 1x2 on, and you should be with this. Here, your little bird, well, robot machine thingy, and this can hold it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, comment down below. I'll try and report back to you guys. Bye.